nyingine.
Mekaza. Za.
Za kuvaa. Tungia kana. Machine.
No. No. I'm not. Nope.
They have a payment plan. I'm very sure.
Even if they have a payment plan, I'm not.
So, for washing, oh, like for kukamua, right? That's what you mean. So it doesn't really dry.
No, but your clothes will take maybe 20 minutes. Like clothes.
Now the problem is this is big, it's so tiny. Yeah. That's now why we need that one.
Which one?
It's for kids.
I'm not buying a washing machine.
For real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You said you want a real one. Well, it don't get no realer than the realest one. Baby, can you handle it? If you really want it, better come get you somebody. Careful what you wish for, make you eat your word. If I'm more than what you bargained for, one dessert, but you ain't finished dinner. Much is required, cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real.
You guys never play with plan?
We partner with Aspira, so basically there's an Aspira agent who is always available. So you just talk to them on terms and everything.
Stop looking at me. I'm not buying a washing machine. Buy for yourself.
I'm going to come back with you. Bye. Wow. Oh, even when you're outside.
Yes.
There's
Send out the actual load yako hapo ndani. Just control it with your phone from your ready.
What's called?
Function is really down here. You have a 6 kg drum for it's a double load because this one is a 4 kg also washer.
But now the
Not
problem
dry.
is they're so tiny. Why are they so tiny?
Basically hizi ni perfect za watu wako na watoto. So kuna wale watu tukaa.
Nataka kitu inaweza osha duvet.
That's the one for you.
Which one?
You take it.
It's 110. I'm not 140.
There's this one and there's this one. Difference is this a washer dryer and it's a washing machine.
Oh.
But the capacity heater is
Kani kashamba pale Kamuli.
There's a lot of tushambas that you have bought. So this is a good investment. Hi guys, on our way looking for a house for a client. We're in Lavington or Kilimani, I don't even know where this is.
This Lavin.
Yeah, this is Lavington. So when we were saying Yaya is Lavington then.
Yeah, it's Lavington.
Since Yaya is right behind us. The crazy and busy city of Nairobi, you guys.
Traffic left, right.
this is where we're coming. We want to ask if there's an available unit. We can even just ask down here. See now?
But yeah, we can.
This
At
place
least
is big.
it's big. I think the 1, 2.
Oh no, they're not the Neptune ones. These are called star routes.
Residence. I think Neptune. They are just advertising near this.
We'll find them. See, we can even drive down there. There's this one's for sale over there. I'm seeing over there. Okay, let's ask this security guard if there's any available units.
Chief. Uko mzima?
For sale.
Available units for sale.
For sale?
Ama who's the right person to talk to?
One bed.
1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 2 bed.
Let me confirm.
Yeah, please do. Aye.
Okay, let's see if there's a house here. There are a lot, and I think these are owned by Chinese people. The Chinese are really building.
Aye, shukran.
The Chinese are really building a lot of houses in Kenya, and this is how most of them look. I don't know if these are. I'm sorry, guys, my window is so dirty. Because yesterday I took my kid to school, and wherever he goes to school, it's really dusty. Okay, so I'm going to go off, and then I'm going to come back when we get a house at this place. Bye, guys. We've been told there might be a place available, so let's go see. Let's go see. And you guys, if you want a house in Nairobi, if you want to give me that job for getting you a house, send me a message and we will talk. Right now we're here. What do they call this? A star?
Stardom. Stardom.
Something like that. It's a nice place. It's not a bad place if you're looking for. There's also a kids playing area over there. It's a nice place if you're looking for an apartment to either rent out, you buy then you rent out, or just for you to live in. It's not bad. So guys, unfortunately these houses are a bit too expensive for our clients, so we try to negotiate, but
it's a fixed price.
Yeah, it's a fixed price, so we are going to go to the next place and see.
Shake all the memories, now the enemies, from a place that we both wanna leave. Now we don't really wanna feel. Did we hold on for too long? Could you tell me, babe, what went wrong? But now we're free, yeah, indeed. Can we walk away in the setting sun? Some immunity or just clarity, 'cause I don't feel like I really thought I would. Or is it like it should? Did we hold on for too long? Could you tell me, babe, what went wrong? Now
they see this, the color of this car, they always have to try and look at this thing. Angalia, nimejua tu.
Unatakaje? Sema chief. Jambo. Msingizi jambo. Hatujaruka, tumetoka tumeingia na mataa kama iko green. Sijaruka.
So maybe it's something you'd like to look at.
Okay.
So this is one. So this is a guest washroom. Dining lounge, balcony. And the kitchen is open.
So spacious. You said this one is going for how much?
This is the 27,000. You can see the SQ also.
27 million.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. There's a small SQ here. Oh, lovely. Very nice. It's a nice size. I love the kitchen. So does the kitchen come
Yes,
with this
it comes
fitting?
with the microwave oven, the 4-burner, and the extractor.
Okay. If someone wants this particular house with the furniture, can it come with it?
Not this particular one, but you can have the similar to the room.
This is the closet. Wow. Very nice. This is the master bedroom.
And the owners do the fixtures together.
Or said 27, yes? 27 million. This is what you can get. This is the master bedroom. And this is the view. Very nice. So 27, and this is what 27 million can get you. Let's look at the living room. Okay, can you take photos for me? So at least even if we get someone who will not watch the video, they can see the photos. They're so 20 minutes.
We just excuse you so you can take a photo.
Okay.
That is the view of this place. I think it's a nice size. 90. So, guys, if you have 27 million that you would be willing to spend on a luxury apartment, this is perfect. This is so perfect. It's a 2-bedroom, and as you can see the setup, you can do something like this. And one thing I love is the view, and it has lots and lots and lots of lighting. You don't even really need to have this turned on. You can just, and the balcony is very spacious, so it's somewhere you can sit and entertain your guests. On to the next one. So guys, the houses that I've just showed you right now have a couple of things that have really interested me. Number one, they have a cafe that's coming there. There's a supermarket. They have a movie theater. They also have a golf course at the rooftop.
Yeah.
So yeah, 27 million, it's worth it. Nairobians, where you get getting money. This whole building, okay, 2-3 bedrooms are all sold out.
You need to be shown where the money is coming
Yeah,
from.
where are you guys getting money? Can you guys tell us the secrets? Na msituambie working hard. Working hard doing what?
Ni God.
What we try to do.
I can try it.
Still under construction. Yeah, but it's almost finished.
90% to 1.
Tunaenda mpaka which floor? Okay. This is the wow, 2 bedrooms. This one is done for how much?
So the I go.
That depends on the For 11 million, this is what you can get.
아직도 난 격이 흐릿하게 또 의미하겠나 yeah. 아니 자주 난 어제 일처럼 선명하겠나 yeah. 너의 흔적 없지만 있는 것 같아 일상 속에 또 번져 그 색깔이 바래졌어 떠났지만 여전히 머물러 날 잡아주는 다가가도 멀게만 느껴져 I just wanna be with you right now 너의 기억 속에 남아서 I just wanna 살면서 oh yeah I just wanna be with you right now 너의 기억 속에 남아서 I just wanna be with you babe I just 남겨진 향기 가끔 내 방안을 채워도 여기저기에 숨어 있어 내 맘 곳곳에서 yeah. 너의 의자에 남아있는 온기를 느껴 때때로 먼지 덮인 그 잔들이 시간을 멈춰 떠났지만 여전히 머물러 날 잡아주는 너 다가가도 멀게만 느껴져 Just wanna be with you right now 너의 기억 속에 남아서 I just wanna be remembered 너의 잔상 속에 살면서 oh yeah I just wanna be with you right 너의 기억 속에 남아서 I just wanna be with you babe I just
Look at this guy. He's driving with his foot outside.
He's tired.
This is Nairobi, guys.
아직도 난 격이 흐릿하게 더 의미하겠나 yeah. 아니 자주 난 어제 일처럼 선명하겠나 yeah. 너의 흔적 없지만 있는 것 같아 일상 속에 또 번져 그 색깔이 바래져서 떠났지만 여전히 머물러 날 잡아주는 다가가도 멀게만 느껴져 I just wanna be with you right now 너의 기억 속에 남아서 I just wanna be remembered 너의 잔상 속에 살면서 oh yeah I just wanna be with you right now 너의 기억 속에 남아서 I just wanna be with you babe I just 남겨진 향기 가끔 내 방안을 채워도 여기저기에 숨어 있어 내 맘 곳곳에서 yeah. 너의 의자에 남아있는 온기를 느껴 때때로 먼지 덮인 그 잔들이 시간을 멈춰 떠났지만 여전히 머물러 날 잡아주는 너 다가가도